Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we will going to start create our React project. I will create folder and name it React project. And later I will open the folder in vscode. We will create a React project using Vite. I will go to the Vite website. Copy this comment and paste into my terminal. It's asking me if you want to continue. I will type yes. Then, it's asking me for the project name. I will name in the React Learn. Next, it's asking me framework. I will select React. And the programming language, I will choose JavaScript. If you write in TypeScript, you can select TypeScript. But now I will choose JavaScript. Now, we will go into the project folder. I will type the command npm install. This command installing the library React needed to run. The next lesson will explain the file how to work with React. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!